AssetExpress is a collaboration tool built to solve the administrative challenges of the maintenance and repair industry. A typical transaction involves an asset owner who needs to repair an asset and has engaged a service provider. This transaction involves many administrative processes. For example, the service provider submits a survey report to the asset owner for approval. The asset owner has an in-house process to review and approve. Any delays in this process will delay the repair and increase turnaround time. Note the email traffic that this simple business process has generated. In many cases, the survey report is attached to the email and circulated to multiple stakeholders. Consider another example where the asset owner would like to know the status of the repair. If there are multiple orders, this request would include a detailed Excel sheet. The service provider will respond to this request by copying status from the in-house information management system into an Excel sheet. When this information is received by the asset owner, it is often manually entered in their system of records, usually an ERP system. The information is then ported into a business intelligence tool to create a meaningful dashboard. Thus, the same information is handled multiple times, an inefficient process for sharing information. These examples illustrate that a repair transaction is made up of many actions, often recurring actions. The collaboration is through emails, hence, it is difficult to quantify how many actions are open. Often, the most painful part of email communication is information archiving. These emails hold valuable corporate knowledge. This information must be archived carefully to the correct asset and service contract. This is especially true in a regulated industry that requires traceability. Asset Express is a collaboration tool that simplifies and solves these administrative challenges. The next video will explain the Asset Express solution.